Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are all doing well. I'm back with another unboxing video. So this time this is a headset for PC, and this is HAVIT eSports gaming headphone. Here you can see this side of this box, the picture of the headset, and it is called actually GameNote. It is the title of this headset, GameNote by HAVIT. Nothing much on this side, and if I see this side here, they gave some specification of the headset, and you can see the model number at the top of the page, which is HVH2232D eSports gaming headphone. And here they gave some specification: speaker diameter 50 mm, sensitivity 109 decibel plus minus 3 decibel, frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz, microphone 1.5 mm, and cable length 2.2 mm. I think this is pretty much good, not bad. And here's the one thing, it has a feature it has a RGB beside the headset, which is really cool, and you can control the RGB. You can on or off the RGB if, as you like. So let's go see the main headset. I'm gonna open it. Yeah, this is the headset. They packed it well, and this is the main part. Yeah, it's look pretty much good, I think. So let's look at the headset at first. Here is HAVIT logo, and you can see the structure or build quality. Build quality of this headset is pretty much good, not so bad. And they gave some sort of foam in here for your head, relaxation on head. And you will see the RGB effect in this side on both headset, which is good really. And let's look at the cable. And I think cable quality is pretty much good, not so bad. I think it will be handy. And let's look at the ports. Here we have one 3.5 mm for the audio, and one 1.5 mm for the microphone. And here we have a USB port for the RGB. If you connect the USB port, the RGB will automatically activate, and if you don't want the RGB, you just unplug the USB. It is pretty much simple. And look at the mic here. The mic is flexible. You can bend or move to the other side as you like, which is good, not bad. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.